How to log in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in 8-ball pool. Logging in on 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the 8-ball pool app. Launch the app after downloading it from the Google Play Store. Choose a login option. On the main screen, you'll see several options to log in. Facebook login. Tap the Facebook icon. Enter your Facebook credential, email or password and phone number and authorize the app. This will link your 8-ball pool account with Facebook, allowing you to save your progress and challenge friends. Miniclip account. Tap on Miniclip login option. Enter your Miniclip email and password if you already have an account. If you don't have a Miniclip account, tap create new account and follow the instruction. Google Play Games. You may be prompted to log in with your Google Play Games account automatically if it's already linked. Guest account. You can play as a guest without logging in, but note that your progress won't be saved. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can log in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.